welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to talk about Messi Mania. But not so much Messi, but Mania and them. It's a light-hearted video, don't take it too serious. Irish Saxon guy. But when the Jamaicans file, why may I say that? Me didn't know say Jamaicans love hype train and will jump on any hype train. But what I observed with people even in my own personal circle and personal space, and now me know say Iromanians will jump on any hype train. Don't have a loyal bone of them body. Wherever the hype is, that's where them going on. And it trickle down into everything. So even time them ears say smaddy, chop off 1 5 head and cut out 1 5 baby heart. And people say, yo, them man that wicked. Them say, yeah man, I really think my wicked. But if that's smaddy there, drop 1 5 hit song and get popular. And keep on stage show. And everybody gonna stage show, them gonna stage show too. Them don't believe nothing. I'm gonna tell you now how Messi Mania tie into Iromanian culture. I made a number of observations. I'm gonna talk about it today. But before I go into that, announcement. Sunday. That's tomorrow. If you hear this video, the date drop. We are drop the Jamal video. Yes, we are bad mind him. Time for bad mind Jamal. We are talk about Jamal. We talk about how JCF do something with you will save him life. And him slow fans them were upset. But we'll give them a pass anyway. We'll give them a pass. I have to just understand. Say sheep can only sheep. And you can't expect much more from sheep, but make nice. Talk about Messi Mania. Una Iromanians will ride any hype train, you know. Messi man were Cavaliers fans in an Inter shirt with Messi on it. Cavalier fans. When me telling you say Iromanians don't have a loyal bone in them body, you know. Wherever the hype train go, that's where them go. When they hear that's why I tell you say Iromanians rating come like the Zimbabwe dollar, you know, cause when a man say, look at you, I'm rate you, what they mean is rate you for now till somebody bigger and more popular come along. And them say, yeah man, war is if you dead man, a real thing dog. Some man are Cavalier fans and then when real superstar pass through, man turn Messi, man turn Inter fan, Mr. Man na Inter shirt with Messi on the back. Me ask man say, yo, if you wear them shirt there, you wear the shirt for the team who play against your team. Man, I say, you take it too serious, man. I not say take it too serious, but because you don't really stand for nothing, you don't support none at all. You don't believe none at all. You don't believe in the Cavaliers. You don't believe in nothing. So you just go where the hype train go. Guy, no matter which baller go play at Liverpool, if Messi go play at Liverpool, if Maradona come back from the dead and go play for Liverpool, and the Merseyside derby are going, you will never see Everton fans in a Liverpool shirt with Maradona up on the back. Let me say that one more time. I'm going to tell you the difference between people who stand for things and people who just ride hype train. Jamaicans. And it's not the sports, it's right across the board. Liverpool is a more successful side than Everton. Liverpool can get much bigger baller. All if them get Messi and Maradona upon the same team at the same time and then go play against Everton. No Everton fan now with the shirt there. So when you say, bro, I want to take my youth, I take it too serious. No, it's because you not really. I'm not saying it's anything for fight and war over a guy. You can jump on your hype train. I'm just saying Jamaicans don't actually stand and believe in nothing. Them just support whatever the hype is name attached to it at that moment. Real Madrid bigger than Atletico Madrid. When CR7 down Real Madrid, you will never see Atletico Madrid fans in the stadium and play Real Madrid with CR7 shirt on them back. You will never live to see that guy. Whether La Liga or Premier League, whichever league. Even the small side them, team like Burnley and Crystal Palace and them Monday. When time superstar baller garden club go play against it, you will never see them wear that shirt. Never. Them man they support them club all in time the bottom of the Premier League. All the time they get relegated, man still support them club. You will never see them wear a next man shirt. No care how popular that shirt is. Not Jamaican though. Man will say them are Cavalier fans. I tell the Cavaliers we go suck them woman. Cause Messi in town. It has to be studied. Jamaicans really not believe in nothing, you know. They not support nothing, they not stand for nothing. Wherever the hype train is, man say my Cavalier supporter and Ghana Stadium in a Messi shirt, in a Inter shirt. When people say star, a real thing, yeah, man. So I remember say Lionel Messi a real superstar. Now, we're not talking about corner bar superstar, we're talking about real superstar. Matter of fact, Messi gone in a mega star level now. But all if him was the star of David. Only can't have little pride, little shame. The way how me see some of the Irish Saxon man a go on. Me know say all fool no woman shame on. And I say there is nothing wrong with rating a man, you know. There is nothing wrong with saying you're a general youth. There is nothing wrong with a man acknowledging another man as a real general, real star boy. Nothing wrong with that. Someone cross the line, bro. Just saying. Some things I miss someone are going on with it, especially online, cross the line. Me I go show you how every rule the Iranian claims to them only apply to people who look like them. Especially if them not hype and not true. Remember say Jamaican there's some people when they like when nobody rub against them, you know. Jamaicans not like when people brush against them. If them in a bus, if them walk through the streets, Jamaicans not like when people brush against them. You could have been one granny. Until they say, oh, no nobody rub against me because they're moldy and they're sweaty. I'm not nobody rub against me, dog. I say nobody rub against me, dog. If Lionel Messi take off his sweat up shirt, him sweat up shorts, him sweat up socks, him sweat up brief and dash it now on Irish Saxon face. Them take it and go so. Thank you, Father Messi. When them say star a real thing, you know, because Jamaicans not like people like that. But what them not tell you is that they not like them own people like that. Don't make your sweaty skin rub against one Jamaican, he made fly him ratchet and shove it in your chest. Nothing wrong with rating a man as a superstar in the but somehow they gone straight down in the idol worshipping now. I guess me just built different from one. Because there are people who me rating enough people me rated as superstars, a general, real general. I me see them, me tell them to them a general. But there have to be some kind of boundaries, bro. The way how me see someone now go on, if Messi take off in underpants, sweaty and cheesy, and fling it in a stadium, man will kick down all them grandmother for that. And tell them about a 3-1 put it on eBay. A 3-1 go and go sniff it. You're vile. If them in the one boss and somebody rub against them and be a kiss feet, nobody rub against me because sweat and bacteria and virus and germs. Him go here say Messi use the bathroom and wipe him urine. And before the man flush it out, him say, yo, my general, don't flush it. I want to hold on that there. Souvenir. Vile. But star, yeah, man. Me can't even fight against it. Star. Me have to just accept it. Star. When you make somebody grateful, that's your sweat flashing at their eye. That's a different level of stardom. Something me can't even relate to. Me can't even understand the level of stardom. Irish Saxons are vile. But me just want to know how Armanians just jump from hype train to hype trains. People who me know a Cristiano Ronaldo, quote unquote, die-hearted fan. Man will tell me say Messi a midget. And Messi a this and Messi a that and them board in the body like CR7 and them board in the body like them board in the body like when man here say Messi a touch Iron Man. Man book them plane ticket and fly Ghana Iron Man. When you look for man status, be a picture. Man fight till you reach close enough just to breathe the same air as Lionel Messi. It has to be studied. Man will spend their whole life. Remember somebody talk about personal now. Them know what me I talk about because them are tuning right now. I soon get the message there. Me look YouTuber, me I talk about me. Yeah man, you me I talk. Yeah man, I want me I talk man. I want me I talk. Man we burn out Messi their whole life. When opportunity present itself for be in the same building as Messi, man take leave from work and fly on an Iron Man. I fight him way, man ready for elbow out all woman teeth just to get close to Messi. CR7 fan, you know. Say Messi a midget and Messi and this and Messi a that. But the hype train was in Iron Man, and Ironmanians cannot resist the hype train. Choo choo! Choo choo! Ronaldo fans them dash for them shirt. Man Ula wear Portugal shirt just last year with 7 on the back. Remember saying the Jamaicans alone like football. No? Football is a global sport. When they go South America, when they go Europe, Africa, everybody like football. But I'm telling you, no matter how big Messi want be, him can't go play for Arsenal and make Tottenham fans them wear him shirt. No care how big Messi want be, him cannot go play for Inter Milan and AC Milan fans them wear him shirt. Him could have big like the sun. But Ironmanians, Cavalier fans, I tell Cavaliers to go suck them mama, cause Messi in town. Man a root for him team lose. It has to be studied. The Argentinian general. I'm not family with Argentina, although to be honest, Argentina when I country them, I can't wear for them shirt. Because I know Argentina really roll. Right. Messi grew up around all kind of people and mix and mingle from a little youth, but Argentinians, if we ever see Argentina at any major tournament, look on any South American team, Brazil, and them place there, you will see the team, you have all kind of shades and color. Argentina have one of the quote-unquote purest teams you'll ever see. Argentina spent whole heap of time and whole heap of effort to keep them country quote-unquote pure. Do you know what pure of? Do you know what purity they're talking about? Yes, white purity. Argentina as a country, historically, I mean, I'm going to deny it and tell you, say, yeah, man, I'm going to tell you, say, he go to Argentina one time and people smile with him. I tourist place them him go. Argentina, history speak for itself. Them not deal with Negroes like that. No found no walk up and down an Argentina shirt. For real Argentina never hold no found in a Buenos Aires, face bust off. Them man in deal with Negro Saxons. Look on every other South American team. Argentina is the whitest place in South America. It's like a European country in South America. Them not deal with Negro Saxons. But me know say we not really busy about them things still. Let's see why I put it out there. In case you never know. I know that's when you know when you're still in the business anyway. Because I say hype train is what matters most. But it has to be studied. Has to be studied. Jamaica play against Argentina and Jamaicans gonna steal them the Argentina shirt. Jamaica will play ball against Argentina and Jamaicans will go steal them in a Argentina shirt. Jamaicans will play against France and Jamaicans gonna steal them in a France shirt. Jamaica play against Portugal and Mania gonna steal them with Ronaldo shirt on him back. I tell you sorry, Ronaldo in general. Portugal must support. Iron Man for go suck it more. When you see you still in the Jamaicans, when there's some serious people. No me see it. As me say it's a light art video, nobody take it to art. Irish Saxon. I know say already I open and pray say it has spend money, old man go so but nobody take it to art. Just I tell you now on the stay still. The hype train. Prisoners of the moment. Just jump on the hype train and go with it. Die-hearted CR7 man. Book ticket on an Iron Man in a Messi shirt. Cavaliers fans in a Messi shirt. Jamaicans, you say Argentina go play against Jamaica and Ghana Stadium in an Argentina shirt. When we really built different. Thomas Tisserwood people them really built different. It has to be studied. Anyway, look out for the Jamal video. Tomorrow we'll go back at the class. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.